Now I'm going to give an explanation for the stuff that we've done previously. So my very first screenshot here, this is for organizing and storing email messages. So this is for when we created folders and subfolders. And I believe we also moved an email. So my first screenshot here simply shows me in my inbox. So I'm in my emails and I'm in my inbox folder. I am in my inbox folder on my email. Just keep it very simple. I'm in my inbox folder, my email, and we can tell because this one here that says inbox is actually highlighted. Now, if I scroll down to the next one, this is me showing how to create a new folder. So I right clicked on the folder section and I simply chose create new folder. So I'm going to click next to this, move my cursor down a bit, and all I'm going to type in, let's make my text a bit bigger, make it like 15. I right clicked and selected create new folder. That's it. That's for that screenshot there. The next screenshot is going to show that the folder I wanted to create was actually created. So on this list here, I chose create new folder. On my next screenshot, as you can see, let me zoom in some more. I have a folder here called gaming stuff. That's the folder I created in the previous video. So all I'm going to do here is simply say I created a folder named gaming stuff. That's it. And it can be seen on the list here. After that, I moved an email to the gaming stuff folder. I moved an email to the gaming stuff folder. You don't need to do yours like this. You can write yours in any which way you want. The main purpose of this, again, I'm going to keep saying this, is so that you simply describe what is happening in your screenshot. So if your screenshot shows a slightly different thing or you've done it in a slightly different way, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is to explain what your screenshot is showing. So this screenshot for me, I right click on the email and I moved it to the gaming folder. I might add that as well. I right clicked on the email, then I moved it to the gaming folder. That's fine. Next, this says moved to gaming folder. So this is confirmation. This shows that my email was moved to the gaming stuff folder. Your folder might be something slightly different. It might be something completely different, but it doesn't matter. Once this comes up, you don't need to screenshot this part. If you're quick enough and you can catch it, that's perfectly fine. If not, you can move on and do the next screenshot instead. So this screenshot here, what does this show? This actually shows my gaming stuff folder here at the bottom. Let me zoom out a bit. Yeah, it shows my gaming stuff folder here at the bottom, and it also shows the email I moved into gaming stuff. So this is a proof I need that I moved an email into a folder called gaming stuff, and it's actually in the folder called gaming stuff. So under this, I'm going to say this shows the email I moved to gaming stuff. This next one is going to show me creating a subfolder. So all I need to say for this, all you need to say for this is I right click on the folder. I select create new subfolder. The next one for me is under my gaming stuff folder. I created two new folders, one of them called driving games, the other one called fighting games. So I'm going to put here inside my gaming stuff folder, I created two more folders. The name of the folders are, I have driving games and fighting games. Now this last screenshot, here I show that I'm in gaming stuff, but inside of the gaming stuff folder, I have another folder called driving games. And inside driving games, that's where I have a new email. So I moved another email to the driving games folder. I moved another email to the driving games folder. That's all I need to say. All my screenshots have now been explained. Moving on to the next one.